If you are over the age of 50 and have ever woken up in the morning feeling like your joints are made of rusty hinges rather than living tissue, then you and I already have something in common. After more than 25 years of working with patients suffering from osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, chronic inflammation, and age-related joint degeneration, I've learned a simple truth. What you eat in the morning can either help your body move with comfort or silently increase inflammation for the rest of the day. Most people don't realize that breakfast is not just a meal, it's a message to the body. It tells your immune system, your hormones, your joints, and even your pain receptors, here is how we're going to feel today. On my Natural Joint Relief channel, I love teaching how small daily choices can gently support the joints without extreme diets, expensive supplements, or complicated routines. Today, I want to dive into 3 powerful, practical, doctor-approved breakfasts that may help calm inflammation, ease stiffness, and help you start your day on a more comfortable note. You'll notice that these meals are simple, they're accessible, they don't require a chef or a nutrition degree. In fact, many of my patients begin feeling a difference within just a few days, not because these meals cure anything, but because they help the body shift away from inflammatory patterns that worsen joint pain. So, let's talk in depth as a doctor, but also as someone who has walked beside thousands of older adults navigating joint discomfort about the 3 best breakfasts to support arthritis relief naturally. 1. Oats with turmeric and ginger. If you are over the age of 50, there is a good chance you've already turned to a warm bowl of oatmeal on a cold morning, but very few people realize that oats are one of the most joint-supportive breakfast bases you can choose. Why oats work so well for arthritis? From a medical perspective, oats provide 3 major benefits. Stable blood sugar. Large swings in blood sugar can trigger inflammatory pathways in the body. Stable glucose levels mean fewer inflammatory spikes that may aggravate joint pain. Soluble fiber. Fiber not only feeds healthy gut bacteria, which, believe it or not, play a major role in regulating inflammation, but it also helps the body process fats and hormones more effectively. Antioxidants called evanthramides. These compounds support circulation and may help calm inflammatory responses in the body. Now, oats on their own are already a great start, but when we add turmeric and ginger, we take things to a different level entirely. Turmeric, the golden spice that loves your joints. Many people have heard that turmeric is good for inflammation, but let me give you the deeper medical perspective. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful plant compound studied for decades. Research suggests that curcumin may help reduce inflammatory markers, support cartilage health, improve joint stiffness, calm oxidative stress around the joint tissues. However, and this is where most people miss out, curcumin is not easily absorbed. That means sprinkling turmeric on food helps, but adding a pinch of black pepper makes absorption significantly more effective. This is why I always advise patients to pair the two. Ginger, the calming root, contains compounds called gingerols, which have been shown to support the body's natural inflammation-regulating pathways. Ginger can also soothe digestion, which matters more than people think. A healthy gut is one of the biggest allies for healthy joints. Plus, ginger provides a gentle, warming comfort, something many arthritis sufferers appreciate first thing in the morning. Putting it all together. Imagine this: a warm bowl of oats, a golden swirl of turmeric, the gentle heat of ginger, a dash of cinnamon, maybe some berries or walnuts on top. This is one of the breakfasts I recommend most often. It's simple, inexpensive, and takes less than 5 minutes to prepare. The warmth alone can help loosen stiff morning joints, but the combination of spices and fiber provides deeper support. If you're looking for a breakfast that may help you feel more mobile, more energized, and less inflamed, this is a wonderful place to start. 2. Chia seed pudding with berries. If there is one breakfast I often recommend to patients who want something simple, soothing, and genuinely supportive of their joints, it's chia seed pudding with mixed berries. What makes this option so appealing is that it requires almost no effort in the morning. You prepare it the night before, let the ingredients work their magic in the fridge, and wake up to a creamy, nourishing meal that feels like a treat but delivers impressive benefits for inflammation and overall joint comfort. Let's start with the foundation of this breakfast: chia seeds. Despite their tiny size, they are one of the most nutritionally dense foods you can add to your routine. Chia seeds are especially valuable for people over 50 because they provide a rare combination of nutrients that directly support joint health. First, they're packed with plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, which help the body manage inflammation. While these omega-3s differ from the ones found in fatty fish, they still contribute meaningfully to joint lubrication and comfort. Many of my patients have shared that after adding omega-3 rich foods like chia seeds to their diet, their joints feel noticeably less reactive in the mornings. Not pain-free, but calmer and more cooperative. Chia seeds are also exceptionally high in fiber, and this is where their signature pudding texture comes from. When soaked in milk or a milk alternative, the seeds absorb liquid and form a gel-like coating that is wonderful for digestion. A healthy gut plays a surprisingly important role in regulating inflammation throughout the body, so supporting digestion can indirectly support joint health as well. Plus, the steady release of energy from chia's fiber helps prevent the blood sugar spikes that may worsen inflammation. Then there's their impressive mineral content. Chia seeds naturally contain calcium and magnesium, two essential nutrients for strong bones and relaxed muscles. This is especially important for aging adults since bone density and muscle tension tend to change over time and can influence how comfortably the joints move. When chia seeds and berries come together, they create more than just a tasty breakfast. They form a synergistic blend that supports digestion, steady energy, reduced inflammation, and long-term joint protection. It's simple, delicious, and remarkably supportive. Exactly what aging joints appreciate most.
3. Avocado and smoked salmon toast. For those who wake up craving something savory rather than sweet, avocado and smoked salmon toast is one of the most satisfying and surprisingly therapeutic breakfasts you can choose. It's flavorful, filling, and takes only a few minutes to prepare. Yet it delivers an impressive combination of nutrients that aging joints truly appreciate. Let's look at why this simple meal has become one of my top recommendations for patients who want an easy anti-inflammatory breakfast without spending time cooking in the morning. We'll start with the base ingredient, avocado. This creamy fruit offers a unique blend of nutrients tailored for adults over 50, especially those managing arthritis or chronic inflammation. Avocados are packed with monounsaturated fats, which are the good fats known for supporting heart health and helping the body manage inflammation more effectively. These fats are also essential for maintaining the natural lubrication of your joints, something that becomes increasingly important as cartilage naturally thins with age. Beyond healthy fats, avocados provide a generous dose of vitamin E, one of the most valuable antioxidants for protecting joint tissues from oxidative stress. Vitamin E may help calm irritation in the joints and support long-term tissue health. Avocados also offer vitamin C, which the body uses to create collagen, a structural protein that helps maintain strong and flexible joints. And let's not forget potassium, a mineral that supports muscle function, reduces cramping, and helps regulate fluid balance, all factors that influence how comfortably your joints move throughout the day. Then comes the second star of this breakfast, smoked salmon. Like other fatty fish, salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA. These omega-3s have been studied extensively for their role in supporting inflammation balance. Many patients tell me that after increasing their intake of omega-3 rich foods, they feel noticeably less morning stiffness and experience fewer episodes of joint tenderness. Omega-3s don't cure joint issues, but they help create an internal environment where the body can move with less resistance. Salmon is also an excellent source of high-quality protein, which is essential for preserving muscle mass. This is especially important for individuals over 50, since natural muscle loss can place more strain on the joints and worsen discomfort over time. A breakfast that provides both anti-inflammatory fats and muscle-building protein sets a strong foundation for smoother, more stable movement throughout the day. Together, the creamy avocado and savory smoked salmon form a nutritional partnership that supports joint comfort, energy, and overall vitality. And if salmon isn't your favorite fish, you can easily swap it for other fatty fish like sardines, trout, or mackerel. Even plant-based options like flaxseed or chia seeds can provide additional omega-3 support. It's simple, quick, and deeply nourishing. Proof that a powerful joint-friendly breakfast doesn't have to be complicated. Why these three breakfasts work so well for arthritis? When we look at these three breakfasts together, oats with turmeric and ginger, chia seed pudding with berries, and avocado with smoked salmon, a clear pattern emerges. Each one is built around foods that naturally calm inflammation rather than fuel it. For people living with arthritis, especially adults over 50, this makes a meaningful difference in how the body feels throughout the day. These meals also share several important strengths. They all support smooth digestion, which plays a surprisingly large role in regulating the body's inflammatory response. They promote steady, stable energy, which helps prevent the blood sugar swings that can worsen joint discomfort. They also include nutrients that encourage better absorption, ensuring the body actually uses what you feed it. On top of that, these breakfasts provide the building blocks needed for healthy cartilage and muscle, two systems that must work together to keep joints moving comfortably. And by supplying plenty of antioxidants, they help reduce oxidative stress, a quiet but powerful contributor to chronic joint pain. After decades of caring for arthritis patients, I've seen how small, consistent nutrition habits can shift the body toward greater comfort. These breakfasts won't replace medical treatment, but they create a strong, supportive foundation that helps everything else, from exercise to medication, work more effectively. Conclusion. If you're looking for natural, simple, practical ways to support your joints, especially if you're over 50, these three breakfasts are an excellent place to begin. They're easy to prepare, budget-friendly, and filled with nutrients known to support inflammation balance and joint comfort. Try one tomorrow morning. See how your body responds. Sometimes the smallest choices create the biggest improvements. And if you found this helpful, or if you want more natural, science-backed tips for living comfortably with arthritis, I warmly invite you to subscribe to the Natural Joint Relief channel. Give this video a like and share it with someone who deserves to feel better every morning. Until next time, take care of your joints and take care of yourself.